Welcome to ArtMagic.
Let's embark on a delightful drawing adventure and learn how to sketch 2 delicious stick ice creams. This step-by-step guide is perfect for kids eager to enhance their drawing skills while having loads of fun. With simple instructions and vibrant colors, creating these icy treats will be a breeze. Start by drawing 2 elongated ovals, slightly narrower at the top, to form the ice cream cones. Position them side by side, leaving space in between for the sticks. Beneath each cone, draw a straight line extending downward to represent the sticks. Make sure they are of equal length and parallel to each other. You can make them round or slightly asymmetrical for a more realistic look. Grab your colored pencils or crayons and fill in the scoops with your favorite flavors. Experiment with various colors to make your ice creams extra appetizing. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to creativity. To make your ice creams pop, carefully outline the entire drawing with a darker pencil or pen. This will define the shapes and make them stand out on the page. Congratulations, you've successfully drawn 2 delectable stick ice creams. Display your artwork proudly or share it with friends and family. Drawing is a fantastic way to express your creativity and imagination. With this simple tutorial, they can learn the basics of sketching while having a blast. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.